Okay, so today we will learn how to convert a Denary number into hexadecimal number. So I will show you three examples and then we will be doing some given tasks. So look at this first example. So the Denary number is 98 and we want to convert it into a hexadecimal number. The method is this: because hexadecimal numbers have base 16, so we will divide 98 by 16, and if there is a remainder, we will continue the division as long as this here we get 0. I repeat, so we divide 16 and 98 with the hexadecimal base 16, and we keep doing so until we get 0 here. Now look at this: 16, 6 are 96. We have remainder 2. So we don't have 0 here. So we go again 16. Now 6 is less than 16. So it will be a multiplicand of 0. So we have 0, 16, 0. And then the remainder 6 comes here. So these two remainders become your hexadecimal conversion numbers. So we write them like this. First we write the last one on the leftmost side, and then we write the next number like this. And these two numbers are now hexadecimal part, make hexadecimal. So we have 0 to 9 hexadecimal numbers. So that's why we have 2 and 6. So 62 is the hexadecimal conversion of 98. Let's take one more example. So we have 490. So again, we do the same. We divide 490 with 16. So 16 threes are 48, and then 10, and then 10 is remainder, and it becomes 30. So 16 30s are 480, and 10 is the remainder. And now 30, not 0, so we continue. 16 ones are 16, and the remainder is 14. Now we have 1. We again continue because it's not 0. And 16 zeros, and then this one becomes here. So that's the remainder. So we have three remainders now: 1, 14, and 10. We write them like this: 1, 14, and 10. Now we go back to our table of hexadecimals. So 1 in the hexadecimal table is always 1. The 14 in hexadecimal is E, and the 10 in hexadecimal value is A. So the number 490 is equal to 1 EA in hexadecimals. One more example, actually two more examples. So we want to convert 1000. So again, we divide it with 16. So we get 62 here, and the remainder is 8. And then we do it again. We get 3 here, and the remainder is 14. We do it again. Now we get 0, and the remainder becomes 3. So we have three numbers, three remainders. 3, we write it first, and then we write 14, and then I've directed the step. So 14 is E, so we write E, and then 8 is 8. So this 3E8 is the hexadecimal number converted from 1000. One more example: 2634. We divided with 16. We get 164, remainder is 10. Then we divide with 16 again, 10, and remainder is 4. And then 10 is smaller than 16, so it will be 0, and the remainder will be 10 itself. So we have three numbers: 10, 4, 10. 10 is equivalent to A in hexadecimals, 4 is 4, and 10 is A. So the hexadecimal number is 4A, 4A. Hopefully this clears. Hopefully this clears it. Hopefully everything is understood. But if there is any ambiguity, just leave in the comments or message me directly. And the task is you have to I will actually send you the task separately. So thank you for watching.